Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Yuti Sankhe's MBA journey from SAS Institute of Management Study, and today's video topic is very much interesting. It is all about storytelling. So in this video we will see the story about movie Tare Zameen Par. So what are we waiting? So let's start. We will start the story, and story is about movie Tare Zameen Par. Tare Zameen Par is an Hindi language drama film produced and directed by Amir Khan. The film explores the life and imagination of Ishan, that means 8-year-old dyslexia child who suffer from the dyslexia, as a result of which he is unable to cope with daily life during his early childhood. So now we will see about the Ishan's journey with his teacher in the movie of Tare Zameen Par. Tare Zameen Par is a movie about 8-year-old boy by the name is Ishan who loves painting, having a special passion towards it. Ishan is just another child like who likes being a child, not worried by what he wants to do in life. Ishan prefers playing with street dog, being weak in studies. His parents start to worry about his future. As in anybody's else house, this boy faces a lot of punishment and anger from his parents and teacher day in a day out. So story Ishan's elder brother happened to be like his father, wanting to achieve success in life, study hard, and it does best in whatever he can. Ishan's father worked as a professional in a MNC. Ishan's father wishes his boy good to be like just him. He sees creative talent in him, but he is worried about his attitude towards studies. Ishan's mother gave up her career to take care of her child and the family just like a mother. She loves Ishan, but is also worried about Ishan's studies. After frustrated with Ishan's attitude and by the complaint the parents keep receiving from the teacher and neighbors, Ishan's father decided to send him to a boarding school, believing Ishan need to learn some discipline and attitude toward life. Ishan feels sad about it and loses interest in painting also, which he did with a lot of passion. Ishan faces the same when he is in boarding school, complaint and insult from teachers. Ishan starts to miss the family and begins losing interest in life. A turnaround happens when his art teacher is temporarily replaced by Nukum sir to Amir Khan. Nukum sir means the Amir Khan who played the character by Nukum sir. Nukum sir is a part of mentally challenged school. Find that Ishan has been suffering a brain related problem from birth relating to confusing himself between two similar looking characters means the dyslexia. Nukum decided to take matter into his hand. He visited Ishan house to explain what Ishan has been suffering over the years, only to discover Ishan had such interest toward arts. The scene in which Nukum explained the problem of Ishan parents, the father accusing Ishan to being ignorant towards study. After that, Nukum sir helped Ishan get out of the problem has been facing, developing himself to being a better person who cares about the academics, with painting being his important part of the life. After that, is very happy and he solved his problem with the passion towards the painting. Each and every scene from this movie can be related to any of the child stories. So the Tare Zameen Par is the best movie for the children to watch. And in this movie we will get the moral that the more the child thinks, the more they utilize their brains and generate creative ideas. Children must be understood by teacher and parents. We must not force our opinion on them. Understanding the need and mental ability of individual is important. Thank you. I hope you like the video and you understand the short story of Tare Zameen Par in my views. Thank you.